Hello friends, I welcome you all to the class of English compulsory second year. In the previous class, we started with transformation of active voice into passive voice with present continuous tense. We came across certain examples and exercise as well. Dear students, today we are going to study active voice and passive voice with present perfect tense. Today we are going to study how to transform a sentence of active voice having present perfect tense into passive voice. First of all, let us think about the structure of active voice with present perfect tense. The structure of active voice with present perfect tense is subject plus helping verb of to have, either have or has. It is followed by past participle of the main verb, and at the end there will be an object. So subject plus to have plus past participle of the main verb plus object. This is the structure of active voice with perfect tense, present perfect tense. While transforming a sentence with present perfect tense into passive voice, we have to follow this structure. At the outset, object converted into subject will be written. Subject is followed by the helping verb of to have, either have or has. It depends upon the form of the subject. If it is singular, we have to use has. If it is plural, we have to use have. After the helping verb of to have, we have to use been. After been, past participle of the main verb is to be written. After that, we have to write by, and at the end of the sentence there will be an object. So the structure of passive voice is subject plus to have plus been plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. Let us understand the transformation of active voice into passive voice with present perfect tense with these examples. The first example is John and Mary have played tennis. So this sentence is present perfect tense because the main verb is written in past participle form. Before that there is a helping verb of to have, so it is perfect tense, and the helping verb is from present category, so it is present perfect tense. John and Mary is subject in this sentence, have played is verb, and tennis is an object. Our answer will begin with object, that is tennis. Tennis is singular, so the singular helping verb of to have is has. Tennis has. It is followed by been, so tennis has been. Been is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is played. This played is followed by by, and at the end there is subject is to be written. So John and Mary is plural noun, proper noun, so there would not be any change in it. when we are transforming the sentence from active to passive voice. So the correct answer here is tennis has been played by John and Mary. Come down to the next example. He has painted a picture. In this sentence, he is subject, has painted verb, a picture is an object. So our answer will begin with an object that is a picture. A picture is singular. So the helping verb of to have singular is has. So a picture has. Has is followed by been. So a picture has been. And when ed participle is added to the verb in past participle, it is the same in past tense as well. So a picture has been painted. Painted is past participle of paint. So a picture has been painted. It is followed by by, and his personal pronoun here, so he will be converted into him. So the correct answer is a picture has been painted by him. Come down to the next example. They have performed religious rites. In this sentence, they is subject, have performed verb, religious rites object. So the sentence is having SVO structure. Our answer will begin with object, that is religious rites. So R will be capital, religious rites. It is plural in form, so we have to use the helping verb of to have from present category, which is plural one, that is have. Religious rites have. Have is followed by been. So religious rites have been. Been is followed by past participle of the main verb. So the original verb is perform, and the past participle form of the perform is performed. And after that we have to write by. The sentence begins with they, so they will be converted into them. After that we have to put full stop. So the correct answer is religious rites have been performed by them. Let us come down to the next example. That is, they have watched a movie. In this sentence, they have watched a movie. They is subject, have watched a verb, a movie is an object. The sentence is written in present perfect tense because have is followed by past participle of the main verb. So this sentence has SVO structure. Again we have to follow the same structure in passive voice. Our answer will begin with an object, that is a movie. This small a will be written in capital A as capital a movie. Then movie is singular, so we have to use has as a reporting has as a helping verb here from present category of to have. Then after that we have to write been. A movie has been. Watch is the original verb or lexical verb, let us say. So the past participle form of the verb watch is watched. So a movie has been watched. After that we have to write by. A movie has been watched by. And at the end of the sentence we have to write them, them. They will turn into them. A movie has been watched by them, full stop. So the correct answer is a movie has been watched by them. Come down to the next example. We have paid the electricity bill. So in this sentence, we subject, have paid, verb, the electricity bill is an object. So the same pattern is to be followed, that is subject plus to have plus been plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. So here in this sentence we have an object, that is the electricity bill. So our answer will begin with an object, the electricity bill, which will become subject in the sentence. in passive voice. So the electricity bill in this, while writing the electricity bill, we have to convert this small t into capital T. The will have capital T. The electricity bill, it is singular in form. So has is to be written. After has we have to write been. After been, past participle of the main verb is to be written, and after that we have to write by. So the electricity bill has been paid by. We will be converted into us. So all the students are requested to consider this THEM. This THEM is wrongly written here. So here it should be us. Instead of them, we have to write us, because we will be converted into us. So these are some of the examples which we have come across with present perfect tense. How to convert them from active voice into passive voice. Let us proceed ahead with the discussion of simple past tense. As I told you before, it is the verb in the sentence that determines the tense of the sentence. If the verb in the sentence is written in perfect tense, the tense of the sentence is perfect. If the verb is written in present perfect, the tense of the sentence is present perfect. So the examples which we have come across of present perfect tense, in all examples we have seen that the verbs were written in present perfect tense. So now we are dealing with simple past tense. It means the verb of the sentence is written in simple past tense. So the structure of active voice is subject plus past form of the verb plus object. And while converting this active voice into passive, we have to follow this structure: subject plus either was or were plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. Subject plus either was or were plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. So let us deal with the help of following examples. How to transform simple past tense, sentence with simple past tense, into passive form of voice. Let us take an example of John and Mary played tennis. So in this sentence, played is the verb written in simple past tense. Therefore, that is why the tense of the sentence is simple past tense. John and Mary is subject here. Played is verb. Tennis is an object. So this sentence has SVO structure. And while converting this active form of voice into passive form of voice, we have to follow subject plus either was oblique were plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. So our answer will begin with tennis. So tennis in active voice, it is an object, so it will become subject in the passive voice. So tennis, T will be capital. Tennis is singular in form, therefore the correct helping verb of to be is was. Tennis was. Then past participle of the main verb played. When verb has ed participle in past tense, the past participle form of the verb will be the same. So this played ed participle is added to the verb play in past tense, therefore past participle of the verb play would be played. Tennis was played by John and Mary. So after that we have to write by, and by is followed by subject. So here in this sentence, John and Mary are proper nouns, and we know that proper nouns remain as it is. There would not be any change in it. So the correct answer is tennis was played by John and Mary. Come down to the next example. He painted a picture. In this sentence, he is subject, painted is a verb, a picture is an object. So this sentence has SVO structure. It is written in simple past tense because the verb of the sentence painted is written in simple past tense. So it has SVO structure, and while converting this sentence into passive form of voice, we have to follow the same structure, that is subject plus to be plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. So our answer will begin with a picture. A picture is object in the active form, so it will become subject in the passive form, a picture. And as it is simple past tense, we have to write a picture, it is singular, therefore we have to use was as correct helping verb of to be. So a picture was, and it is followed by past participle of the main verb painted. And after past participle of the main verb we have to write by, and here the sentence begins with he, that is personal pronoun, so he will be converted into him. So the correct answer is picture was painted by him. The next example is they performed religious rites. In this sentence there is subject, performed is verb, religious rites is an object. So this sentence has SVO structure, and it is written in simple past tense because the verb performed is written in past tense, simple past tense, and it has SVO structure. So while converting this sentence into passive form of voice, we have to use the structure subject plus to be plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. So our answer will begin with religious rites. Religious rites is plural, therefore we have to use where as a helping verb here, and it is followed by past participle of the main verb performed. After that we have to write by, and after that we have to write them, because there is again personal pronoun that will be converted into them. So the correct answer is religious rites were performed by them. The next example is I collected flowers. In this sentence I subject, collected verb, flowers an object. So this sentence has SVO structure. It is written in simple past tense because the verb collected is in simple past tense. So our answer is the correct answer of this sentence, correct conversion of this sentence into passive voice is flowers were collected by me. Flowers an object, it has become subject here, it is singular plural in form, therefore where is the correct helping verb, and it is followed by past participle of the main verb collected, and after that by is written, and after that this I will convert into me. So the correct answer is flowers were collected by me. Come down to the next example again. We paid the electricity bill. So in this sentence we is subject, paid, verb, the electricity bill is an object, so the answer is the electricity bill was paid by us. So these are some of the examples for exercise. Some of the examples are of present perfect tense, and some of the examples are of simple past tense. Geeta has sung a song. So Geeta is subject, has sung verb, a song object. So the correct answer is a song has been sung by Geeta. The next example is he has written an essay. So he is subject, has written an verb, and essay is an object. So the correct answer is an essay has been written by him. I have planted a tree. So I is subject, have planted verb, a tree is an object. So the answer is a tree has been planted by me. The next example is Meena has made a kite. Meena is subject, has made verb, a kite is an object. Our answer will begin with an object, that is a kite. It is singular, so it has is to be written. After has been is to be written. A kite has been made is the past participle of the main verb. Make is made. So a kite has been made by Meena. So this is correct answer. The next example is she has written a poem. So in this sentence she is subject, has written is verb, a poem is an object. So our answer will begin with an object, that is a poem. It is singular, so a poem has, then we have to write been. A poem has been written by, she will turn into her. A poem has been written by her is the correct answer. Come down to the next example. She saw a unicorn in the garden. So it is simple past tense. Sentence is written in simple past tense because the verb saw is written in simple past tense. She is subject, saw, verb, unicorn in the garden is an object. So our answer will begin with an object, that is unicorn in the garden was seen by her. Next example, COVID-19 affected the world. So COVID-19 is subject, affected verb, the world is an object. So our answer will begin with an object, that is the world. The world was affected by COVID-19. The teachers called the students for online classes. In this sentence, the teacher's subject called verb, the students for online classes is object. Our answer will begin with an object, that is the students for online classes were called by the teachers. Jim Corbett killed the tiger. In this sentence, Jim Corbett is subject, killed is verb, the tiger is an object. It is written in simple past tense because the verb killed is written in simple past tense. So an object, our answer will begin with an object, that is the tiger. The tiger is singular. So tiger was killed by Jim Corbett. Tembu saw tiger in the tunnel. So Tembu is subject, saw, verb, tiger, an object, in the tunnel, adverbial. So tiger in the tunnel is, our sentence will begin with, answer will begin with tiger in the tunnel. So it will be treated as subject in the passive voice. So tiger in the tunnel was seen by Tembu. This is the correct answer. So dear student, this is how we have come across present perfect tense and simple past tense in this class. In the following class we shall deal with past perfect tense, past continuous tense and past perfect tense. With this I would like to stop here. Thank you very much.